What does health literacy mean to you?
I would say that it is being able to take the information that you hear from your doctor or physician or a clinic and understanding what they're saying, being able to understand and follow up with finding other information about that, but truly being able to understand what you're hearing and reading.
Yeah, and the key words I hear is understand and look up information.
So I think health literacy means being able to provide information at a reading level that the patients or the population can understand. The literacy level in terms of reading is like 8th grade. And so most people probably fall below that oftentimes, but even being able to understand what that looks like, I would say being able to have information, even from a visual standpoint. Pictures are very meaningful also to be able to communicate that. So I think that that's, to me, what it would represent.
From that answer I hear it's how we communicate information to other people through reading level, but also through visuals.
I would like to just further expand on that, just to say that making sure that the information that we're given is applicable to the patients, making sure that they understand medical terminology, as well as building trust and confidentiality off the back, and then also when it comes to medication, that they understand their dosage amounts, their times, and that we are in partnership with them and that we allow them to ask questions.
So the ability to ask questions, build trust, medical terminology.
I think cultural relevance is really important. So I work with certain populations, and even a straight translation I don't think is adequate sometimes. And it's not just understanding or translating those words, but actually in a culturally relevant way.
That was one of the things that I was going to bring up also. When we were doing the questions earlier, we were talking about different aspects of literacy and being able to understand. And even when doctors are doing surveys or they're saying they're doing the surveys about that type of literature, you know, who are they surveying? You know, how do we get that information, or how are they getting that information to where they can specifically give accurate and, you know, common sense information to everyday people?